Hey guys, so good morning. Yeah, today we'll be replacing the thermostat. Okay, so let's put our gloves for safety and yeah, for safety reason. Okay, so we will use our electric wrench pull. And there you go, the 10 mm fell again. Yeah, so you have to be careful, make sure your 10 mm sockets do not fall. Yeah, they always fall, but you can also use screw for this. It's kinda hard. Hey guys, so this is the correct location for the thermostat. Don't have to remove the entire assembly there. Just there's like one bolt there and then another one that are positioned outermost compared to the one above. So I already removed that. Yeah, this is the bolt. It's a bit longer. The one below that are positioned the outermost part. So yeah, I already removed that one. And this is the thermostat that we took. This one is stuck open, so you can see the gasket was already worn out as well. So definitely this needs to be replaced. All right, so this is the new part I ordered. This is a genuine part. Yeah, so this is the new one. So this part here, as you can see, that is how you to make sure that there's still flow of the water. But yeah, let's go ahead and install this. Okay, so again, we'll make sure that this is located on top. Okay, that's already in, and let us put the bolts. You have to be very careful here because once you drop your bolt, it will definitely cost you time. And make sure to take your time because if you rush it, what happens is you will not really align your bolt properly, and that can cause to damage the thread and lose the thread. So yeah, especially when you're working on the engine, you have to make sure that it's properly aligned, prevent damaging the thread. Now let's put the big one, the big bolt. So I'm not sure if you can see, but yeah, it goes here. See that here, there. All right, so yes, see this here. This is where we're going to put the long bolt. Just have to tighten this first here, the one at the bottom, because this is a bit tricky. So if you tighten the first one above, then you'll have a hard time fitting that one there. All right, so now just tightening the hose clamp here because I loosened it earlier, just to be able to remove the cover for the thermostat cover. So a lot has been going on. I didn't film them because I was in a hurry, because as you can see, it's very bright outside, it's very hot. So I just finished the job and I'll just show you. So yeah, here is our thermostat there, housing. So first bolt there, and then the second bolt was there. Yeah, there. Hopefully that helps. And you might have to loosen your hose there also in order to remove the cover for the thermostat. But after that, it's pretty much plug and play. Just make sure, a little bit of tip is when you install them, make sure to put the longer bolt, the farther side first, and then slowly tighten them together. Like, don't tighten one bolt first or the other one. Make sure to slowly tighten them together. just to make sure that you have a proper flat alignment there. It's all good now. Just have to install the intercooler here, put it back, just make sure everything is bolted, and you plug also the intercooler wiring or the connection, and also the fan, the sensor and the fan. So lock the hoses and check everything, right? Just make sure, double check everything. And there might be something that you loosen up and forget to tighten. So especially the battery stuff is very important. When you forget that, it's very dangerous when you're moving, especially fast, driving fast and braking. So that's about it, guys. I won't take this long. If you want to ride along and they install the intercooler, you are welcome to watch. But yeah, that will help also the algorithm. Thank you. What should do again? Damaging the further using the So you have two connections here. This is for the fan power connection, and this is for the sensor. So it turns on automatically and off when it's hot or cold. Alright guys, so I'm pretty dirty right now and mess up. Again, just to make sure, just like this one, forgot to put the the hose for the intercooler. So yeah, we'll go ahead and turn it on for 15 minutes to see, to make sure that all of the water are circulated and no leaks, and also to have the bubbles released, because there's some few bubbles that were trapped. So far, no leaks. I've been refilling it 3 times. No more bubbles. So all of the bubbles are out now, and yeah, all's good. The temperature is normal, so that's also good. It's been 10 minutes already, I think. That's it for now. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like this video, share to your friends if you like this, if you find this helpful to your friends or for you, and you know, think others can benefit from this. Yeah, support my channel, guys. Please do subscribe. It will help the algorithm and help me grow my channel. You can also send Gcash if you like. I'd be happy. Just kidding, but serious too if you are. Don't forget to watch my other videos. I have adventure videos, overland videos, camping videos, car camping videos. So check them out and see you. Thank you again.